My video will help you to remove the unwanted extension that is called Filmedia. Filmedia is a special extension designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this extension indicate that the extension can help you find some streaming websites online. But the point is that this extension is installed very often without the user's permission. The extension is often spread as some fake Chrome update notification. So people think that it is some required update of Chrome, but in reality, such fake updates lead to the installation of such third-party extensions that may hijack browser settings or operate as adware. And Filmedia is one of such potentially unwanted extensions that you should not install. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, you should definitely undertake the measures and to get rid of them. I am now installing this extension on purpose in order to demonstrate to you how to get rid of it after it was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser. So to remove any third-party extensions, this is what you should do. Go to the menu More Tools, Extensions. Then if you find any third-party extensions here on the list, you should definitely get rid of them. As I said, some of these extensions may hijack some crucial browser settings and they may even operate as new tab replacers. So once again, let's do it. Menu, More Tools, Extensions. Look for third-party extensions. If you find them here, of course you should deactivate such unwanted extensions and remove these extensions completely. So deactivate this extension and remove it like this. Finally, my recommendation is that you thoroughly research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and start thoroughly researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.